Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make the recipe of a quick keto fat bomb, and this is a cookie dough fat bomb. Everything is absolutely good for you, delicious and quick. There's never a point in making an elaborate recipe for something that is a fat bomb because you're already cooking breakfast, lunch and dinner. You don't want to put too much effort into a snack or a substitute or a supplement to your diet. So let's make this quick recipe. I'm also going to talk a little bit about the ingredients that I'm using. This is A2 cow's milk butter. So it says here that it's fresh, it's grass fed and it has no preservatives or chemicals. So this is the best quality butter that I get to buy in India. If you can't find this butter, you can definitely use the butter that you have. So I'm taking about 2 tablespoons here. This is freshly bought, it's frozen. So I'm going to put it in the microwave and warm it a little bit. So in the meanwhile, I'm also going to talk about inulin powder. So this is also a prebiotic fiber. It feeds the gut bacteria and you can see that it's got about 96 grams of carbs, and out of which there is about 80 something grams of dietary fiber in 100 grams, and you would normally take this like 1 teaspoon or so per day. Another alternative to that is another advanced probiotic fiber, and here you can see each serving is about 4.8 grams of carb, which is all fiber. So these are 2 prebiotic fiber. That is what feeds the gut bacteria, and this is excellent to keep your gut bacteria healthy. I'm also using some whey protein powder. This is the ice cream flavor and it's got about 4 grams of carbs in 1 scoop. Now we are not going to eat a lot, so I'm using 2 scoops of this. You can use an unflavored one and sort of put some stevia, and I'm not going to add any sweetener because the fiber as well as the protein powder are both sweet to taste, and the fiber definitely tastes great and has no carbs. So you can definitely use as much as you want. You can almost use it as a sweetener plus something that is helping your gut. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of ghee so that there are people who cannot have access to the best quality butter, but ghee, you can always use the buffalo milk ghee, which is much more easily available in India. And especially with ghee, you don't have to be that particular because it doesn't have the milk proteins, so you can cheat a little bit. You can eat the buffalo or the Jersey cow's ghee, although let me say it again, the A2 milk ghee is the best. It's considered the best quality ghee by Ayurveda, almost like a medicine. So now I'm adding the prebiotic fiber and I'm using 2 tablespoons. This does have a binding capacity and I'm going to show you quick candy made from this, which is delicious. So I'm mixing all of this up and our cookie dough is ready. If you don't have any of these powders or don't wish to buy them or add them, you can always use almond flour of the same quantity. You want to add some sweetener, so I have a stevia bottle here. I would add about 15 to 20 drops, but you want to taste it yourself and take an idea of how much you want to add. And for those of you who have noticed that some things have moved around in my kitchen, you're right, I have a new refrigerator and I'm in love with it. I'm going to make a video about this refrigerator soon, and if you're not interested, you can definitely ignore it, but I really do want to talk about it. I love it, and it's so functional. It's huge because somebody like me who accumulates so much stuff in the kitchen needs a large refrigerator. So, and here my mixture is ready. I'm going to make some balls out of it, but I'm also making small portions in this mold which has all the Christmas shapes like snowflakes and all of that. So you can do this for Christmas if you like, putting some of this mixture in each of these, and this is the trick I'm using. I'm bored like halfway through, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the rest of the mixture and use a cake decoration spatula to flatten it and fill all of those molds. You can also use a knife to do this, and this is solid good stuff. So there's no almond flour either, so there's no keto fillers, no keto flours. It's just solid protein powder and fiber. So what's not to like? This is some keto chocolate. I've already shared the recipe with you. The link to that is going to be in the description, so check that out. Else, if you're in the US, you can buy the Lily's chocolate chips, which are keto. I've heard that they are great. Or use any dark chocolate of your choice, which is unsweetened. You can cut it into small pieces and mix it in the cookie dough. And the rest of the mixture is just perfect, defitting into this tiny scoop that I have. And we have 3 complete balls. Look at how cute they look, right? And keep your gut or digestion in perfect condition. So let me say this. If you're going to make this with almond flour and without the protein powder and the fiber, it's going to be be a different texture. It's going to be more like a cookie dough. So add some sweetener and some vanilla essence or any essence that you like, and more of the chocolate chips, or you can even add cocoa powder. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will give it a try, and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. If you like it, click pictures and share them on my social media handles. I love to see them. And also, if you're interested in the ingredients that I buy in my kitchen or the gadgets that I have in my kitchen, you can go to my website, and I have links to all of these things in my description section, which is right under the video. So go watch that. And thanks for watching. Bye.